It's time for another 100 Mondays. Hey, what's up? It's time for another 100 Mondays, guys. And as you can see, this is the commission, the rope of Rahab. Basically, I've only gotten like halfway done, or maybe a little less than halfway, but it's going and it's still going. It's a process. It's not going to stop until it's finally done. Hey, what's up, everybody? And today we're also going to look at the wall. I finally added some paint aside from the sky. I was working the detail up there in the city of Rohan, and I did some of the mountains, as you can see, and basically it's some of the like grassy area. It's not much right now, but it is a process, and like I said, every time there's lots of details. So, and I'm very anal about the details, but that's it, only about the details. Have a good day.